Searching for the best cleaning service professional isn't easy, but if you know what to ask, you'll be surprised at how simple it is to find a solution. With some helpful tips, you'll be instantly happy with your choice. Today we're chatting with our special guest about local cleaning options and share some incredible tips on finding the right fit for you.
When it comes to looking for a carpet cleaning service, the most asked question is, what is it going to cost? The problem today is that choosing the right carpet cleaning service simply based on price can feel overwhelming, especially with so many choices. The good news is it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what you're looking for. Searching for a great service to suit your needs can be challenging. Finding a company that is reputable with a long track history and exceptional expertise can feel like a tough search. I'd like to share a few tips to finding a great carpet cleaning service. Tip number 1, do they have a great reputation? You'll want to make sure you read at least 6 to 10 current reviews among many years of experience because it really will give you the comfort before you make your decision. Tip number 2, are they personable? Are they individuals you feel comfortable with working in your home? Do they treat you like a friend instead of a customer? You'll feel much better about your decision if you find professionals that are approachable and take the time to understand your expectations. Tip number 3, do other peers recommend them? Ask them for a peer referral. When a business colleague has great things to say, that's a huge compliment. It'll give you peace of mind in knowing they're trusted by other professionals. Our expertise is carpet and upholstery, where we focus on helping clients get their results they want the first time. For those that want to learn more, they can simply go to McCall's or for a free estimate, they can call or text us at 619-583-6411. We're happy to help because our clients have been the key to our success for over 37 years, and we achieve our goals one client at a time.
See, your search doesn't have to be stressful. As a matter of fact, the right professional can make a huge impact in a short amount of time. Would you like to learn more? Just contact our featured guest at the number on your screen. Thanks for joining us.